Does he look okay?
Yeah.
Good. And
now he's way too close.
Okay. Dale. Good boy. Stop that. This is going to require some cropping and editing. Hi, welcome to the Original Rug Bag Company's YouTube channel. I am Holly and this is Del. So today we're going to be doing a rosette braid, but it's going to be a continuous one. So it's not going to be the individual braids, it's going to be one long one that goes all the way down his mane. We're going to start like this, and you want them relatively chunky. So figure out how much you want to take. So I want to take about this big, so I want my rosettes to be about that large, and it's going to be just a normal 3-strand braid. So break it into 3 of equal length, and then just start doing normal, quite tight. Get that out of the way. Make sure to brush his mane, brush your horse's mane, use some mane and tail spray, get it a bit wet, and it will just make the process easier. So, then get to about halfway down, you want about that much, and then tie it off, which, oh, my ties are on him. And what you're going to want to do next is then put it under. So find a little hole here and then tuck it under. And then this goes under here, and then it will go into your next braid. So repeat the process, grab a chunk, however much you want. Make sure they're all the same size. And then just add this one to the lot, add it to the middle section. So, and then bring this side over and start your 3-strand braid. And again, do it quite tight. When you get to about halfway, stop again and then tie it off. And again, under, make a hole. And push it up. And then pull it under again so you hide this rubber band. So you see that you're just starting to get the bobbles there, and they should look like that all the way down. So we're going to pick up the pace and I'm going to do the rest for you. there you have it. I hope that's helped. So it should roughly look like that with quite a few rosettes. And I think this is one of my favourites on Dell. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.